Okay, I just recently did a couple of YouTube videos on changing the drain hoses for the sunroof in a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. My husband ran all this nice clear vinyl tubing down for the drains, and now we have disassembled the sunroof and took it out. But again, I'm doing a video to show you what could happen if you leave this project and don't take care of this problem. If you have a leaking Jeep, all the water pooled up in there, and now we have this mess to deal with. This is all rotted out. That's all rusty up there. It's all rotted. So now we're going to have to fix this. And that is our next step. So I suggest to anyone saying, oh, I don't want to do the job, it's too much work. If you don't want to end up with a worse problem like this, I suggest you take the time and do it. You'll be glad you did.